But we're headed back to that job, that clay site. I dropped half of this load off at my shop at the crusher run, and we are just bringing 10 ton just to dress it up and keep the mud down, and then we're going to pour that rat slab in a little bit. So me goes there and just getting the compaction and clearing the way. Here is Albany here. We're on the Patroon Island Bridge. Here's Albany out there. And here's the Hudson River. Big bump here. I hate this bump right here. Ba-boom! That drives me nuts. Greasy, greasy, wet and sleazy. This is a nasty sight. Couldn't get back any further. Ain't gonna keep making ruts and doing whatever, but we'll scoop it out of the truck. All right, we got 2-footer crusher in here compacted. There's our line snap for our concrete. We put some crusher stone around here. It was so mucky, it was like sticking. Anybody that knows walks in wet clay, was 5 inches on the bottom of our boots. So this is so easy so that he can frame without getting all mucked up. And then hopefully this will just, I pulled the slop off, then we'll just, you know, he's gonna get this whole pile out. The whole, I mean, normally in a perfect world, the way I like to bid a project is I would come in here normally and just load out into the dump truck the day I dig and don't leave nothing like this. Don't backfill with that, don't do nothing. But budget is budget. He needs the dirt from back of his garage, so he's gonna take care of that with his tractor. And we're just gonna finish pouring. We're gonna pour that today, throw some plastic, pour it, grade up the best we can, on to the next. All right, guys, I had to run. Miko's gonna pour that. I totally forgot. I just got a message from a woman. I'm supposed to meet her down in the city of Rensselaer for a big parking lot rip out and sub base, and I don't want to lose this job, so I gotta run there right now. And he's pouring it, and we'll catch you on the tail end of the pour. Well, that worked out good. I literally was going 10 to 15 minutes. I come back, he's got it all in and poured. Got her bull floated, and that we'll probably hit it off one time and be done with it. You know, it's just a little rat slab, guys. He just has that hole there, right there, and all his plumbing's gonna come in here and then go into his basement. He says he's not even gonna get in here, but he'll have to insulate. He'll be insulating on his back for sure. All right, got his little stockpile going, graded out the best we could with all this muck, and of course it's raining out, so we covered it. We just give it a 1-2 hit because it's just a rat slab. We just, you know, polished it off with the bull float, then the Fresno. All right, we're all loaded up, chained down, got all my points up. Here comes a car. We are done with this. Gonna clean the road a little bit, and we're heading to that project with the house with the blue foam, the one where my batteries got stolen. So we'll put the batteries in the dozer tomorrow, and the excavator, might as well not put them in because the leads that they took, I don't have them yet. Searched all over, can't find any KOBELCO, the factory ones, you know, or even close. And I didn't want to make them. I want good ones, so they're coming from Japan. All right, guys, we'll see you on the next one. We'll see you tomorrow.